Model 2019 IVECO Daily 35S12 Diesel 2.3 Chassis Cab Spares OR Repairs 4100 WB Hi-Matic Automatic Bargain. Body, yellow, Luton, box. Mileage, 81,421. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL411HC. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine on crank is showing bottom end bearings are knocking. Automatic gearbox shows no fault codes. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £13,395. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.